What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you this MR&HM satin fitted sheet. And this specific one is a king size in the color black. They do have a bunch of different sizes and colors available, so make sure to check out the product page for that. And full disclosure, I did get this to do this video, so let's get right to it. So let's get this unboxed. Here is quite literally what to expect, as this is unopened. And here is that silky smooth satin material. Whoa. Get this packaging out of the way here. And you'll notice they do have these straps, which will help keep the sheet on the bed. And this pocket size can accommodate mattresses up to 15 inches deep. So we've got a 10-inch thick or 10-inch deep king size mattress here we're gonna mount this on. So before we get this put on the mattress, I just wanna show you the actual tag inside the sheet here. You can notice it is actually 100% polyester satin material. For how to take care of this, you can machine wash it on cold separately or hand wash, and then do not bleach it. Obviously, this one's also black, so that wouldn't make very much sense. Tumble dry low or iron on low heat, and do not dry clean. My wife and I definitely learned not to use high heat with satin materials. We accidentally melted a pillowcase in the past. So there you have it. Let's get this put on the mattress. All right, let's get this put on the mattress here. Slide down. First corner is always the easiest. And these straps, I am very excited for. They're going to keep this nice and fastened to the mattress. And this king size is 78 inches by 80. And I think this may be the first sheet I've ever put on that I can do easily alone. So that's nice, it's nice and flexible. And just pulls right over all four corners. And it's nice and tight. I'm gonna get this aligned a little bit better, get these corners where they should be. And there we have it. Look how silky smooth this looks. And this satin material, if you don't know much about it, highly recommend doing your own research on it, but it is much better for your hair, keeping your hair, protecting it from breakage, and it's smooth to the touch. So super excited about this, and wow, does it go well with a black bed frame too. So here we are, that's basically it. This satin material can help prevent delicate skin from friction or pulling on the actual sheet. Hopefully this helps show you what to expect with this MR&HM black king size fitted sheet. Don't forget to check out all the different sizes and colors they have available. I'll catch you on the next one.